Hello and welcome to Pinktown. For today's new arrivals, we have dozen packs. Here we have 6 different dozen packs. These are all spring bracelets. And here you got a rose and some flowers with butterflies. This one comes with gold and silver. You can see all the different charms. This dozen pack right here has some pink butterflies with the breast cancer ribbon. And it comes in a different shade of pink. For this dozen pack, it's a heart lock. We have some different heart charms and locks. This one comes in silver as well. And again, these are all springs. This dozen pack here is some elephants, tree of life, some hearts, and in silver as well. And for this one, is another variation of the hearts and lock. And it comes with around 6 silver and 6 gold, but the numbers may vary. And then we have this cross, these heart charms as well. And it also includes some silver ones. Again, all spring. Here we have this perfume charm bracelet with some lips, a heart that says love, crown. Now this one comes in these variety of colors. So it comes in silver, but it also comes in different colored perfume bottles. These are also stretch bracelets. For this one, we have some hearts and arrows charms with different colored clay beads. It comes in silver and gold, and then all these different colors you see here. Here we have these flower and perfume bottles with a different colored clay charms as well. And this also comes in a variety of different colors, as you can see here. This one has 3 different heart charms with different colors. So we have pink, white, and red, and it also comes in silver or gold. They all have similar charms, or the same charms. These bracelets have clover charms with these different colored clovers. So this one has pink, and it comes in silver. These are blue, and it comes with these different variety of charms as well, in gold and in silver. These spring bracelets come with different butterfly, flower charms, some heart charms, and it comes with a colored acrylic butterfly charm in silver and gold, with these changing colors. So we have yellow, pink, purple, light blue. This bracelet dozen pack comes with some heart charms, as well as this one has a 3D butterfly to it, and it comes in different colors, this butterfly as well as the clay bead here, and they do come in silver and gold. You can see it's a 3D butterfly. Here we have these designer flower charms. There's some different flower charms in these clay colored beads. And it comes in silver and gold as well as different colors. Here we have some white, blue, purple, and red. And you get a mix of all these. This bracelet dozen pack comes with some heel charms. Different colored heel with rhinestones. We have 2 clay beads. And we have different colors, so you will get a variation of the silver and gold, plus different colored heel charms. These bracelets have a teddy bear charm as the main feature, and some colored clay charms, and some hearts. The teddy bear has a red bow on it. It comes in silver and gold with these variety of colors. Here we have this round circled with pearls and crystals and some flower charms. And some colored flower charms here too as well. Here's a gold version of the same bracelet. And this dozen pack also comes with different colored flowers. And lastly, we have this dozen pack of bracelets, butterfly bracelets for kids. And it comes with different colored butterflies and in silver and gold. The links will be down below, so check them out and we'll see you next time.